Hello, Bulldogs. My name is Melanie Vallone, Assistant Director of the Career Development Center here at DeSales University. And today I'm here to assist you with navigating Bulldogs for Hire. Do you know what Bulldogs for Hire is? That is our online job posting board where you can access full time career opportunities, internship opportunities while you're a student, even part time jobs both on campus and off campus. So let's start today by looking at desales.edu. From here, clicking the menu bar on the left-hand side, you'll see Career Success. This is our webpage where you can learn all about what the Career Development Center has to offer you as a new student, a current student, or a DeSales alum. If you ever want to contact any of your professional staff in your office, you can select each and any one of us right here and email us directly or call. We are available for you. From the Career Center page, a great way to get started is at My DSU. So if you look closely in your upper right-hand corner here, you can click on My DSU to sign in. When you're signed into My DSU, you can access so many different resources, including the Career Development Center's internal pages, as well as other very important applications. So if you check out the important links, your team site, you will see here the Career Development Center. Or on the right-hand menu under Life at DeSales, you'll see here the Career Development Center. Here is a great way to access plenty of information, but what we want to focus on today is Bulldogs for Hire and how you can access that page. So as soon as you log into My DSU on the left-hand side here, you will be able to access Bulldogs for Hire. Click there and it will direct you to sign in. Again, signing in for the first time, you want to go to your DeSales University email address. If you're accessing Bulldogs for Hire for the first time, you want to check your email, your DeSales email, and find an email from desales.simplicity-csm, and that will give you the link and instructions on how to access your account for the first time. But when you are returning and looking to access Bulldogs for Hire from My DSU, you can simply come here under Applications, select Bulldogs for Hire, and it will ask you to sign in. As a student, be sure that you're signing in using your DeSales email address. If you're having a difficult time with your password, just simply click Forgot Password. It will send you a new message to your DeSales email, and you will simply be able to access your site. Please contact the Career Development Center if you have any questions about accessing Bulldogs for Hire. We can help you. When you log on, your page will look like this. Up at the top here, I have some options of internships or career opportunities that other people in my major are interested in. You want to be sure that you can click on each one of these opportunities if you're interested, and you can check out the job posting, when it was posted, the description. You have contact information over here, a phone number, an email address, and a great description and a list of responsibilities and qualifications. So this is a great place to start if you see something that you like right in those options for you as soon as you log in. But if you'd like to start from home, you can simply be sure to click on that left-hand navigation bar here. Here are all your options. In order to keep your preferences up to date, you definitely want to be sure that you are keeping your profile up to date. Just like LinkedIn, you can upload a photo and include a lot of detail into your profile, including a statement, experiences, projects, and skills. You never know, an employer may be looking for somebody with particular skills, and if you include them in your profile, you may have the opportunity to be connected with an employer in that way. So be sure that you keep your profile up to date. Well, once you log on to Bulldogs for Hire, and you can see some of these hot jobs, scroll down just a little bit more and it'll tell you what's new. Here are our announcements. And our announcements are about our upcoming events and saving the date. So right now you can access the Webinar Wednesday series that we upload each Wednesday for any DeSales University student or alumni to access a great professional development opportunity of a variety of topics. So you can simply click here and access that wonderful list of libraries of different topics. This would be included in that series. And check out some of our save the dates. Career Fest is coming up August 31st through September 2nd, as well as our virtual graduate school fair. But if you're interested in looking for positions on Bulldogs for Hire, you want to click here on Search Positions on the left-hand navigation bar. You can simply select Search, but I would suggest searching all positions for DeSales University students and alumni. This is a great place to start. This will include all on-campus, off-campus, career, job, and internship opportunities. As you can see, this is showing 1 of 20, and we have 131 jobs posted currently right now. So if you just take a scroll through and scan some of the titles of these opportunities, you might find that you need to learn a little bit more. You can do that by clicking on each posting. But be sure when you get to the bottom that you realize that you are not at the end. Clicking the next page, or at the top, you can show over here on the right-hand side, you can show more than 20 jobs on each page. You can show 100 to 250 jobs on each page. So a great way to start is just to scroll through and see what is posted. But if you'd like to search by keyword, you can absolutely do that using position type, full-time, part-time, internship. Let's see, if we select internship, out of those 131 positions, 33 of them are internship opportunities. So be sure if you're interested in an internship, you're looking here on Bulldogs for Hire. You can also select industry if you are interested in a particular industry. That might help you search a little bit further, but you want to be sure that you are always clearing your filters so that you can start from the beginning each time, because a broad search is always better than a narrow search. You can also keep track of your applications once it's time to apply for positions. So let's take a closer look at applying for a position. If we select the job title, it's a hot link. As you can see here, after closely looking at the description and requirements and qualifications, you want to find out how the employer wants you to apply. You can click apply here, but that's only if you have your resume uploaded on Bulldogs for Hire. So let me share with you how you can do that. Documents. This is where you can upload your resume. You have the opportunity to upload several resumes. All you have to do is click Add New. Once you do that, you want to upload the file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded and you have named it, be sure that you name it something like first initial, last name, and perhaps the semester date of the current resume, or first full name, first last name. Please just don't name your resume because thousands of students will do that, and you don't want yours to be lost amongst the group. You want yours to be identifiable. So once you upload and name your resume to Bulldogs for Hire, you will receive a message that it may take anywhere from 2 to 6 business days for the Career Development Center team to review your resume. Once your resume has been reviewed, you will receive an approved or unapproved status. Either way, we will send you a message that will give you information about how you can improve your resume and great ways to update your resume. And then we always suggest that you make those corrections and suggestions and upload again. And we are happy to review your resume as many times as you need. So please feel free to upload your resume to Bulldogs for Hire to get started. That is going to give you the opportunity to select the apply button in those positions that you'd like to apply to. However, there may be some positions that don't require that you upload your resume. If we look back at search positions, and for instance, you may be interested in an on-campus or work-study position, that's your opportunity to work on campus. If you have been notified that you have the ability to do that, you can work on campus and you can search for those positions on Bulldogs for Hire. Once we're closer to the beginning of the semester, you will see plenty of on-campus work-study positions here. So feel free to look for those opportunities as we get closer to the beginning of the semester, and you may just need to find the email address of the individual that is posting the position. That may be the supervisor of the position, and you can simply reach out and email that individual. As you can see here on the right-hand side, that information is right there, along with the website and a phone number. If you have any questions about applying to on-campus positions, please contact the Career Development Center. We're happy to help you with this process, but you'll be able to see those postings here. So you can update your profile on Bulldogs for Hire. You can upload your documents, your resume, cover letter. When you upload your resume, the Career Development staff is happy to review it. You can check out our events that will be coming up on the events tab. And also you can check out the list of employers that have registered with us on Bulldogs for Hire if you're looking for a particular employer. And lastly, here I have our resources page. If you click on the Sales Career Center resources, I wanted to show you the vast list of resources that we have here for you that our office has uploaded to the system so that you can click and do your research and learn more at whatever hour you please, virtually from the use of your own laptop or computer. You can find all the resources that you may be looking for to help you with perhaps video interviews or phone interviews or informational interviews. You can learn more about career and major exploration, professional dress, and more. And note that there are plenty of more resources, so just be sure that you're clicking the next page. If you're looking to start your job search and want a little bit more information, or you're looking to learn how to negotiate salary and benefits, these are great resources for you to utilize before you even get here at the sales or while you're here. So be sure that you are logging into Bulldogs for Hire frequently if you are actively searching for whether an on-campus position or an off-campus position. If you have any questions about it, please contact me, Melanie Vallone. I am happy to answer any emails or chat with you on the phone. If you do have any questions, I am happy to help. Be sure to keep your profile up to date so that your preferences are new and live and fresh, because every day I am approving new jobs to be posted on Bulldogs for Hire. And every day employers contact our office and say, I want to hire a DeSales University student. or I just had a DeSales University intern and I would love another one for next semester. So be sure that you're accessing Bulldogs for Hire and getting to know the Career Development Center because we are here to help you. Welcome to DeSales. We're looking forward to working with you.